sounds damn good, dude, for a single 18. Coming up with Donald here, just pulled me aside. He's got a Sundown X18 and he's got some old school Denon amp right here, and I think he had a problem with his power base, but now he's got the two 1500.1s with the ultra surround Sundown X right there. Here's what I was talking about, just right there. Old school Denon. Most of you guys know that as home audio stuff, top of the line home audio stuff. But it's a little MOSFET amplifier right there. How long you had that? Since 92?
Well, that is a 92. I got it from my brother-in-law. He had it sitting in his closet. I don't know how long he had it. I had a USX 2080 that went up in smoke on me one day when I was over at the house, and my brother-in-law just come out and was like, here, you can have this one. I looked it up. I was like, man, yeah. It'll run 2 ohm mono. It's got a switch on it, dude. 1 ohm per channel. It's a beast.
Skar audio speaker in the door. I like that freaking grill. FT1. So the other day, is everything all, you were doing some tinkering the other day in the
Yeah, I got it all together now, man. I had 2 18s in here on the Powerbase 5K.
Yep.
And it popped on me twice. I was running at 0.5 and I think it just didn't like it. So I traded the other 18 for my 2 MB Quart 1500s back. I got those strapped at 1 ohm on the 118 now. Next year I'm gonna have a C-pillar 4th order.
Ooh. Dude.
Yeah, man.
That's moving a lot of air.
Yeah. Box is 5.5 cubes, tuned at 30 hertz.
Alright.
I actually built it for my buddy's ACCA 15.
Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know if it's a booty call or not. So, like, what do you think? Did you think that girl's pretty? But first, let me take a selfie.
Damn good, dude, for a single 18. It felt like a whole vehicle was friggin' ready to lift
I'm really happy for it, especially for a box that I just threw an 18 in that was actually built for a 15.
You are now listening to FlamingBeats.com.
What do you have a YouTube screen name or anything like that?
Yeah, Fatboy1282.
Fat21282.
Fatboy, PHATBOI 1282.
Well, thanks for jamming it out for us, my man.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you checking it out.
Having a good time at Slamfest?
I'm fucking loving my first one.
Me too.
I'm loving it, man.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah, all right, man, I appreciate it.
Thanks for the
brother.
demo. See you guys later.